Ever pondered the magic behind creating homemade butter from scratch? Today, embark on an enlightening journey to unravel the secrets of churning your own butter, right within the confines of your kitchen. The beauty of this process lies in its simplicity. All you need is one ingredient: heavy cream. It's all about shaking, stirring, and separating. Transforming cream into butter is an age-old practice, and today you get to be part of this tradition. Start by pouring 2 cups of heavy cream into a jar. Secure the lid tightly. Now comes the fun part. Shake it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Keep going. This is a great way to get some exercise in, or perhaps a fun activity to keep the kids occupied. After about 5 minutes of vigorous shaking, observe the cream transform into a whipped state. You're halfway there. Continue shaking it until the cream breaks down further. This might take another 5 to 10 minutes. Suddenly, you'll notice a change. The cream will separate into a solid and a liquid. The solid is your butter, and the liquid is buttermilk. Strain the buttermilk, but don't throw it away. It's perfect for baking or adding a tangy flavor to your dishes. Now, rinse your solid butter under cold water. This step is crucial to wash away any remaining buttermilk, which can make your butter go rancid. Voila! You've successfully created homemade butter from scratch. But why stop there? Let's add some flair to your butter. For a savory touch, try mixing in fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme. If you have a sweet tooth, honey or cinnamon could be your go-to additions. The possibilities are endless. Homemade butter isn't just about the fun process or the versatility in flavors. It's about knowing what goes into your food. No preservatives, no additives, just pure, creamy butter. Plus, it's a chance to reduce plastic packaging waste from store-bought butter. In essence, making homemade butter is simple, rewarding, and environmentally friendly. It's a culinary adventure that takes you back to basics, bringing a touch of rustic charm to your modern kitchen. So, why not give it a try? And that's a pat of butter worth celebrating. If shaking a jar for minutes isn't your thing, don't worry, there's an easier way. Pour your heavy cream into a blender or stand mixer. Start at a low speed, then gradually increase as the cream thickens. This method is not only faster, but it's also easier on your arms. In about 3 to 5 minutes, you'll see the cream separate into butter and buttermilk. And there you have it, homemade butter in a fraction of the time. Now, isn't that smooth?